Gursten there. Welcome to the story of a international born Jamaican football star boy. Me name Gursten Fursten. Never go ask me why you name Gursten. Me name Gursten Fursten because the first thing me do when me pan the field is put balls in the net like me put balls in your girl. Let me tell you Gursten backstory, yeah. When me did one little picnic, you know, one little Scrabble, when me did 9 years old, me mash up the competition in Jamaica. Big man me a play with me, I mash him up when me 9. So foreign scout, he come scout me, you see. Him say, Gursten, you mash up the competition, you want move foreign? Me say, where foreign? Him say, Belgium. Me move Belgium since me 10. Me go to Belgium, mash up the competition over there, so me grew up in Belgium, but me still from the yard. But me I play for the Belgium national team there. All the Belgium girls them say, them I go bring the Belgium back for me, I go bring the Jamaican sausage for them. You see it? You know say Gursten play upon world class. When I play, if you play this, me tell you say the game teeth like what. So me put upon world class. Let me tell you about Gursten rules there. The Gursten rules there. In game, each goal me score, I one girl me a drop that night. So me score 1 goal, or 1 girl me a drop. Me score 2 goal, or 2 girl me a drop. Me score 3 goal, or 3 girl me a drop that night. If me score 4 goal in a 1 game, Rihanna call me. She say, Gursten, you score 4 goal in a 1 game, you could be my baby father. Me say, Rihanna, me will be your baby father. Yeah, Gursten there. Gursten debut boy. Come now. When I lose, you know. Run up with the ball. Pass the ball up, boy. Yes. Run up, boy. Where you go? Move from your dirty boy. You can't stop me. Where you go? Watch there. You can't even take the ball from me. Yes, boy. Yes. Kind of shot that. You blind? Boy, must have blind. Yeah, go. What goal you look fun? Stop the ball. Peer pressure, boy. Peer pressure upon the ball. When I say peer pressure, I mean pure pressure. Pure. Nothing but pressure upon the ball. Come. Watch ya. You play for the team, boy? Your shirt black or white? What color your shirt there? Come now, set up the ball. What the pressure there? What me say before? Pressure. Watch there. Good pass. Run up, boy. Yes. Watch ya. Kind of football player you be. You can't get past one man. Run up. Attack. Watch there. Dash with the ball like always. Push the ball up. Watch there. You make them score 1 goal or they are gone. You think says a dad and a manager? I may run things around here, you know. I may run everything around here. Yes, boy, yes. Run up, boy, run up. Keep the ball, boy, keep the ball. Pass the ball up. Pass the ball to Gursten, yes, boy. Where you go, boy? Goal. Goal! Goal! Yes, boy, Gursten! You can't stop me. Watch this. You can't stop me. What? You can't stop Gursten. Jesus dip on my side, boy. Look there. 1, 2, 3. Boop! Come now. You want to drink one more girl tonight? Or one more goal me I go score. Pressure upon the ball. Just cause we score one goal don't make it lazy, you know. Pass the ball, boy. Yes. Yes. Where you go, boy? Move from here. That dirty self. Watch there. Goal. Watch there. Gursten are the greatest. You're welcome, boy. And one guy you have dropped because of me tonight, boy. And my girl that you know, me I give you one girl to drop. You're lucky. Your name Kovacic. I know your name. Kova. I call you Kova. Watch there. Perfect pass. Perfect. Gursten there, me tell you, say, once me touch down upon the field, you now go win. And I care who you put in front of me. It could be Jesus, Ronaldo, Moses, Messi, and now win. Run up, boy. Yes. Pass the ball back. Where you pass it to? Watch there. If you make him score, you see? Okay. Good job, keeper. Good job. Every save you get one guy for joke. So one guy you get two. Since you can't score no goal there. Pass it up. Yes. Yes. You can't move, boy. Watch there. You're lucky. You're not lucky, you see. Run back, boy. Run back. Enough lazy. Run back. Watch this. Start the ball, though. Yes. Pass the ball. Watch out. Oh, okay, ref. Me, I could say. Watch that. Dash for the ball again. Come here, boy. Come here. Where you go? Where you go? Yeah. You're lucky. Stop the ball. Yeah, boy, so slow. Pressure the ball. What's that? Three you can't stop that one man. Kick it up, keeper. Pass the ball, boy. Pass the ball. Me open. Yes, good pass. Good pass. Come now. Watch that. Can I pass and make me the game teeth like what? Yes, boy. Good pass. Watch that. Gursten, boy. Oh, you're lucky. Boy, get one lucky save, you know. One lucky save the boy just get. Gonna pressure the ball again. Maybe come back there and play defense, you know. Pass the ball up. Yes. Good pass, boy. Good pass. Where you go, boy? Where you go? Cut in and out. There you go. Goal, boy. Watch there. Gursten are the best in the world. Me can't score. Me can't pass. What me can't do? Boy? Next game, me I go manage the game. Me I go dip on the sideline. I just go manage, and we are go win because of me. Everything me can do, boy. Everything me. Watch there. But on the pass there, best score, best pass in the world. They can't touch me. Give me the ball, boy. Where you go? You can't play defense too. Can't do everything, you know. Where you go with the ball, boy? Can I pass that? Watch there. Oh, you're lucky. Yeah, test the keeper. Pass the ball up. Yes, boy. Good pass. There you go, boy. Dirty boy. You're slow like what? Watch there. Ref for the foul there. Watch me. When we catch you with the ball, watch what happen, boy. Watch what happen. Pass the ball up, boy. Pressure the ball. What you do? They're not going to score one goal, you know. Don't make them score not even one goal. Pass the ball up. Pass the ball up, boy. They're not run up. Run, boy. Good pass. Good pass. Where you go, boy? Move from here. Pass the ball up again. Can I pass that? Good pass, boy. Good pass. Watch there. With the ball. Pass the ball back. Watch there. What you do with the ball? Okay. You're lucky say you get foul call, boy. You're lucky. Watch out, Ronaldo coming for. I'm my game this. You need to cut Ronaldo. Go back from the bench, boy. You're coming for. Kick the ball up now. You stand there for. There you go, boy. You're lucky. Pass the ball up. Goal. Oh, you're lucky. It's a wild. Pressure the ball. What you do? You gonna stop the ball now? No defense I do. A 2 guy y'all joke now, keeper. Good job. Keep up the saves, boy. Give me the ball. My ball that. Watch them dash with the ball. Come forward now, boy. Forward. Yes. Ronaldo, you stand there for. Pass it back, Ronaldo. You late pass, boy. Watch there. Me offsides, you idiot. Watch there. You not call offsides? Run Ronaldo. Catch the ball, boy. Catch it. Catch it. Yes. Pass it back now. Pass it back to me. Good pass. It's a boy lucky. Goal. Watch there. The boy have superpower now. What the? The boy going to eat vibrating at my half time. What am I do? A 3 guard y'all get tonight, keeper. Jesus. Watch there. Oh, you're lucky. If you make 1 goal going here, I get no girl tonight, keeper. Run up, boy. Yes. Pass me the ball, boy. Run Ronaldo. Run Ronaldo there. Yeah, pass the ball back for the goal this way, boy. You blind? Pass the ball back. Yes, good pass. Good pass, boy. Gursten, second goal. Come here. Watch there. You can't stop me, boy. I tell you, say. You not stop Gursten. They are the best in the world. Garrett, wagwan, Garrett. You can't hold me, boy. You die for. You might as well stand still. We don't know what you die for. Just stand right there, so. Still. You not stop it. Watch there. Come now, one more goal, one more. Two y'all me a joke right now. We want one more. Pass the ball up, boy. Yes. One more for me. Watch out. Boy, I got boosters on him.
3 minutes of added time.
Pass the ball, Ronaldo. Pass the ball, boy. One more. Watch them teeth me. That 3 goal me should have scored. What the game teeth like what? Come on, Garrett. Garrett. Yes, Garrett. Watch there. Lucky. We're lucky at 3 games we should have tonight, you know. It's alright. Gursten will take 2 of them. 2 of them. Alright. I'm gonna start to go now. Gursten there. Wanna go ask a question now. Mr. Fursten, you had an extraordinary game today. 2 assists and 2 goals. How do you manage to be so excellent on a daily basis? Hey yo, who y'all call Mr. Fursten, boy? My name Gursten. Mr. Fursten, I'm my father. Respect me, boy. Me always play good, boy. What you think, say? Me tell you, say me a superstar, right? You think, say me a lie? Mr. Fursten, any pressure on you with the competition going on these days? Pressure away. At least I mean no pressure when me I pressure the ball. When I can't escape Gursten, boy.